Hello, hello everyone. Um, Today is 2016 July 31st. Um, my name is Jack. Okay, and it's been a while. Maybe after 1.5 months that I've been making videos to my YouTube channel. It's purely in English. Okay, because I was quite busy in the last months. I went back to China and setting up my own trading academy in China. Lots of place to go and a lot of people I need to teach, right? And in China it is limited access to the trading to the YouTube and Facebook. Okay, so today I'm back to Singapore and now I have time to really share with you something. All right, it's all about trading. Okay, first of all, who am I? Right, if you are seeing my video, watching my video for the first time, let me just make a very simple introduction. All right, so you go to tradingview.com. All right, you go to the top authors. All right, today I'm the number one, but you click to the all time. All right, so all time I'm ranking number 3. Okay, still far way to go to be close to Animango. All right, but that doesn't matter. All right, because what I do in TradingView, I mean, today I think I have just written an article, and I think this is good to share with everybody, every traders, especially every new traders or every people who want to make profits through trading. All right, you can see in the last 2 years I have published 1,256 ideas, which is, I think, the top among these 6. Okay, and I just want to let you know that today maybe this video is not mainly for charting or technical analysis, but I will put some analysis for all the markets, all the popular markets, after I explain something to you guys. Okay, and I hope that you can benefit from it. All right, so it is a really long article. All right, but the thing is, I want to tell you guys some thoughts on trading signals versus trading logics. Okay, the reason I write this is since I'm the top author and things a lot of people viewing my ideas, and looks like some of the ideas are really very, very profitable. All right, and then there are people starting asking me that, sir, do you have any signal services? I want to join you. I want to pay you maybe $100 per month, or as long as you can give some trading tips. All right, and I want to say that I'm so sorry I don't provide any signals, because first of all, trading is not an easy thing. Okay, if trading is so easy, I mean, why does Goldman Sachs, why does the Merrill Lynch, the Deutsche Bank, the Bank of America, right? Why does all those investment banks hire very, very expensive traders, very, very expensive fund managers to work for them and trade for them, right? I mean, there must be a huge difference between professionals and a novice trader. Okay, so I don't want to make people feel that, okay, trading is so easy. I just can copy the trades from those top authors in the trading views, or from those top authors from Forex Factory, right? Actually, today some people just tell me that it's quite a it's quite a interesting to see that there are some people who in a forest factory, and this guy, and I mean it is one of my follower. I don't know. I actually don't know him, but he just told me that some people are copy my charts to their own website, and they don't actually disclaim that it's actually from my chart. Okay, you can see this Aussie dollar, this chart, and this is silver, the bad pattern I post in TradingView. Alright, he just made just make a screenshot. Alright, he hide this guy, he hide my names, I mean, are white people doing that? I don't know, and I don't care. I mean, if my ideas can be shared with other people, I mean, it's good, right? Okay, so alright, let's get back to the topic. Okay, so first of all, I don't want to make people to feel that trading is so simple. Okay, trading have risks. Okay, sometimes, okay, because different person have different account size, right? So I cannot say that okay, this trade I'm going to buy 1 lot or 2 lot or 5 lots, right? It's all depending on how much risk you want to take. Okay, so if people who don't know what is the risk they are going to have by copy the trades, okay, it is very, very dangerous for them. Okay, to be honest, I often encounter this kind of comments like, sir, your idea was so bad, I lost all of my money because of this losing trade. I mean, so that's why I make it very, very clear in my Facebook group. Okay, if you go to the Facebook group, you go to my my member, this is a trading class, right? I make it as a pinned post here, disclaimer. Okay, you can see that there's a rule. Okay, so here, recommend maximum risk for one trade is 2% of your capital. Okay, so don't risk all your money you have into one trade. Okay, nobody can guarantee this trade can be a winner or loser. Okay, trading is something that is really needs a lot of professionalism to be handled with. Okay, but it's not all about buy and sell, although it may looks very easy, right? You just need to click the buy and sell in the charts or in your software, in your trading systems. Okay, but if you want to be sustainable, if you want to be consistently winning trades or making profits from the market, you really need to get some ideas that are you need to know how to trade professionally. Okay, right? The reason I open the chart here is just to show you guys, how simple it is to trading, right? You just click the buy, click the sell, right? And your orders just goes into the market, and you start to let your trades going on. Okay, either a losing trade or winning trade. It looks so easy, right? Even maybe a primary school students or even a 6-year kid can do this. Click, right? Okay. All right. Okay. So first of all, trading is difficult. I don't want to make people feel that I just need to follow you. I don't need to think. I don't need to know what is trading. What is your idea? Why do you want to buy or why do you want to sell? I don't need to know. I just blindly follow you. Okay, that's something that I don't want. Okay. Secondly, okay, a trading signal, okay, may give you maybe one trading signal maybe give you 1 times of winning or losing. Okay, but the logic behind the trading, it is more important, because if you understand the logic, okay, you can apply it, okay, in the future, okay, in any products. gold, silver, forex, stocks, options, or bonds, right? You can apply it to all the markets if you know what is the logic, and that will actually give you a special edge in trading. Okay, if you just need to, if you just rely on the signals, you won't be able to do that. Okay, and I believe that a lot of audience here today, okay, if you watch my video, some of you may be undergraduates who are going to be graduated school, graduate your college, your university, and trying to find some jobs like traders, right? You cannot just go to interview and saying that, yeah, I know this guy, I know Animango, I know TNT Sunrise, because I can copy their trade, so my trading results will be good. Nobody will going to hire you, right? You need to have your own trading system. You need to show them your track records. Okay, so trading logic is something that I want to focus to share with everybody. Okay, and the third point is something that I have mentioned in my first webinar. Okay, is the result of one trade could be profit or loss. Okay, it is important for traders to understand that in the trading world, the winning ratio or accuracy is not so important. Okay, many people get frustrated if they saw a losing trade. Okay, and people get overconfident, feel like, yeah, I'm so accurate. The market is, I buy and the market just go up, right? I make a lot of money. I'm the top trader. I'm the genius, right? And become overconfident. And the next thing maybe happen is they blow off their account because they become too confident and they want to risk all the money they have into one trade. Okay, for me, my trading results is pretty simple. Okay, it's just four results. Okay, either big win, small win, break even, and small loss. So here, where is the big loss? Where does the big loss go? Yeah, I stopped them, right? I have a stop loss for every trade. Okay, if it goes against me, I will cut them. I will cut the loss so that they won't damage my account in the future. Okay, so if you know that your trading results will only be these four results, okay, big win, small win, break even, or small loss, how bad can your trading results be, right? And it's like every time, say for example, if you have 10,000, okay, and every time you're risking 200, but your target is at least 400. Okay, so what you will see that is the trading results of your maybe after 20 trades will be very very straightforward. It's like maybe 400, lose 200, lose 200, lose 200, right? Then 400, lose 200. Okay, and by just one glimpse of these results, you will be so confident that, yeah, I'm making money because I have so many, so I have so many those 400 profits trades, right? Even half of them, okay, even half, 50%, you win 400, 50% you lose 200, you still win in the long run, right? So I won't be frustrated. I won't feel very bad, or if some of trade goes wrong or stop him out. Okay, some of the trades really, many people, it's like, yeah, the market is always against me, it just swipes me out, take my stop loss, and it goes back all the way. I shouldn't have a stop loss. I should actually just hold on my position. But what if the price never goes back to your entry level, and that will be a disaster. Okay, so don't have this kind of psychology that, yeah, I pray the market will comes back my entry level and I can escape. Okay, if stop loss happens, the best thing, the correct thing you should do is to exit the trade. Okay, all right. So if the and again, if you are using a signal service, right, you are just copy the trades. There's nobody going to tell you that, yeah, don't be worried, okay, move on to the next trades, okay, because your risk reward ratio is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, okay, and you're going to be fine, right? Nobody can tell you that. No signal service can tell you that, but a good mentor can actually help you to understand what is risk reward ratio and what is winning ratio. How do these two factors affect your overall trading result? Okay, so number 4 I want to share with you guys is all my TradingView ideas here. Okay, if you see that it's like 1256, right? The total ideas I published, okay, 1256 until today. All these ideas are my own recording. Okay, I love TradingView because it can record my ideas, okay, and I cannot delete them, I cannot edit them. Okay, a good trade is a good trade, a wrong trade is a wrong trade. Okay, for example, recently we do this dollar yen trade. Okay, I actually short dollar yen twice. Okay, the first time I shot 106.70. Alright, it is a break of the uptrend line, retest the 0.618, and I just catch, it's perfect touch this 106.70 and straight it comes down 270 pips, right? That is a very big win. Okay, and then I publish another dollar yen trade. This is the trade personally I do. Okay, I have many a good week for the last week, because the dollar yen trades give me a very big profit. Okay, and then after the first shorting at 106 of 70, the price goes to 104.8084. By applying the Fibonacci extension, okay, I take profit of here, okay, 104.084, and then I just wait for the price to goes back to 0.618 again to sell it again, right? Although the price did have a spike, okay, but my stop loss is actually above the previous high. Okay, alright, so I'm not stop out. Okay, I sell at 105.70, I sell at 106.00. Alright, and by looking at this kind of spikes, I know that, yeah, there are good price action of this level, and I just keep shorting dollar yen, and then the BOJ comes, boom, right, another 300 pips. Okay, so all these ideas was perfect stored, recorded in TradingView, and you can, it is very powerful that you can click on this play button, load new bars, to see that, yeah, this trade is doing well or doing bad. Okay, so the ideas I publish here is for my own recording, because I need to go back to review all my trades, okay, maybe every week. Okay, and then it is also a very good example to show you that what can you do, right, if you master all my knowledges, all my skills. Okay, what is the potential future you are going to make, like to be as good as me, or be as professional as Jack, right, by posting these similar charts, by using the same tools or same analysis ways, methods, right? I can do this, or I think you also can, right, if you know the exact same thing with me. Okay, you know how to draw these lines, how to draw these tools, right? So by looking at my views, it actually gives you describes like how far can you go. Okay, because I always believe that the fastest way to be successful is by modeling a very successful person in that field. Okay, I post 1256 trades idea in TradingView, I mean, if you have time, you can go back and see them one by one, okay? And you find a lot of similarity of all the trades. A lot of trades I'm just using structure, I'm using Fibonacci, I'm using harmonics, I'm using price action, right? It's it's never new. It's nothing new, okay? A lot of people know what is Fibonacci. A lot of people know what is structure, right? It is nothing new, but all these methods I use is is in one system. I built this system for myself. It is my own trading systems, and I feel that so far it is profitable, and so far it is very consistent. Okay, so I want you guys to know that it is not important whether this trade is a good trade, is a winning trade or losing trade. It doesn't matter. But what's the logic behind this? Why did I put this box? Why do I wait for this 105.680? Right? A lot of people, trust me, a lot of people will just sell dollar yen at this level. Right? Look at these candles, red candles, this doji, right? I mean, as long as there is a candle, which means the price is dealt. There are buyers and there are sellers. They agree to deal the dollar yen at this certain price. At 104.00, there may be one guy who want to buy dollar yen at 104, and there's another guy who want to sell dollar yen at 104, and they match, okay, and the order is filled, and both of them get their positions, right? A lot of people will sell at this low, but the reality is, I mean, if they sell low, they are going to be, very panic, because the price actually pulls up a lot, right? And a lot of people, they cut their losses when the price shoots up, and then the price just goes down, right? So it is very important for you guys to get the edge of trading, to know how to trade, how to predict, or how to identify those very good entries with limited risk, but very good returns. That's something I want to share with you guys. Okay, so there's this is another point that I want to say, that if you rely on the signals, what if one day this signal is gone, right? What if someday I go to vacation, just like last 1 month, or I may not publish any ideas if I'm on the trip, right? A lot of times I'm on the airplane, I'm on the train, there's no internet connection, there's limited access to the foreign websites, right? So what if these signals are gone for one day? Who are you going to rely on? Okay, so my answer is very simple: rely on yourself. Okay, because you know the best situation of yourself, your strengths, your weakness, right? Your time contribution, your mentality, right? Your professional level in trading, and most importantly, it is your own trading account. Why should you risk your own money, right, by someone else? Okay, if you can actually find your own trading plan, why you need to bother to pay other to get those kind of signals, right? So if you have this edge in trading, no one can steal it from you. So what I want to teach you guys is this edge, okay, to master the skills, the tools that I use in the markets, in the forex market, in the stocks market, in the future market, okay. And some people may ask me, Jack, it looks like you are very successful, at least in Preview. You are the top author, and you are really very young. Why don't you just go to any hedge fund or mutual funds to become a fund manager and manage people's assets, right? And you are gonna be rich. Yes, I can, right? Maybe at this point of time, I can just go to any hedge fund or any asset management firm to become a fund manager or become a trader, to trade those assets, to help people, to help those rich people to allocate their assets, which I used to do in the private banks, right? I help my clients to, I tell them when should you buy gold, when should you buy oil, when should you buy these Alibaba stocks, when should you enter the Hong Kong market, right? A lot of things I have done before, and I don't feel so happy. Because what? Because my clients get good results, okay? I get good commission or I get good pay, right? But it is only about me and those my clients. I'm not helping other people's, right? And I'm from China, and in the China there's a saying, okay, it's very similar to the English one. It's like one for all and all for one. All right, so maybe in my blood, education and training is deep inside my bone. Okay, because both of my parents are teachers in the colleges, and I teach many things before. Okay, I teach the piano because I used to be a piano teacher. Okay, since I have already there's one guy, there's one student. It's quite fun, right? 6 years ago, okay, 6 years ago, this student actually approached me and in the piano shop, and he asked me to teach him the piano. Okay, so 6 years ago, he become my piano student, and now 6 years later, occasionally he find me in TradingView, and he looks at my profile and he recognized me, so he actually sent me a WhatsApp because he still have my contact number, and he said hey Jack, do you still remember me? I'm your piano student 6 years ago, and now I'm in the university because last time he was still a young boy in the high school. Okay, and now I'm in the university year 2, and I'm doing trading right now, and I saw you in the TradingView. Can I learn from you again? Right. So it's really fun that this student can be my piano student first, and 6 years later, it's fated, right? It become my trading student. All right. Thank God. Thanks everyone. Thanks for the whole world that I can have this kind of students to be surrounding me, and I'm glad to teach them all I have, all I know. Okay, as I mentioned, I teach the piano, I teach the flute, okay, because I can play both of them. I teach basketball because I'm in the basketball team in my college. I teach soccer because I'm the captain in my company, which I used to work with. Okay, I enjoy the teaching process, because when a student or when a person that I teach them and they master this skill, and when there is improvement of their skills, I'll be very happy to see that. Right? It's just like I teach a young boy to shoot the basketball. If he can make good shots after I teach them, after some practice, he becomes a very good shooter, right? And he feels good, and I feel good. So in the trading world, it's similar. Okay, I can be rich if I just approach any of my existing clients. I tell them, Mr. Blah blah blah. Now you see I'm the top 3 authors in TradingView. If you have $1 million, you give to me, okay, I can help you to trade this $1 million, maybe say for example maybe 10% per month as a return. Okay, and maybe I can get half of the profits. All right, so that'd be very that will be achievable for me, but I mean by doing that, I'm only work for these clients, and I only get the money paid, but I will never get this kind of fulfillment if I teach other people to become traders, become professional traders, and I help them to improve their lives. Alright, yeah. So it is totally my own value for my life. I want to help people. I want to educate them. I want to pass the knowledge that I have, so that they can master this game. They can get these skills without being hurt. Without being so confused. Right? It's really shorten their learning curve, shorten their learning process by proper guidance or proper mentorship. Okay, so I will be here in TradingView to continue to contribute my ideas, and hopefully you can get some point from my ideas. I actually already published or teach a lot of stuff in the TradingView. Okay, I teach the 2618, I teach the Libra pattern, I teach the structure play, structure play. I teach the Fibonacci 0.61. A lot of things I have already taught you guys before through the 1256 trades. Right? If you just watch them closely and you read them carefully, and you compare them. Oh yeah, 2 months ago that trading idea Jack published is very similar as if now, right? The goal is just retesting the 6.8%, right? So you get this kind of feeling, and you start to figure it out. How can I use this knowledge for my own, right? If you move these steps, and if you trying to get something from me, I will be very happy, because that makes my ideas useful or worth it. Okay, finally, I want to thanks for everyone who follow me and support me. Okay, I'm always here to educate, to teach, to train, and to improve your life by transforming you from a retail trader to a professional trader. Okay, because I have already designed my course in English. Right, this is the course I taught in the last month, no, 2 months ago in June in Singapore, and it is a 2 days course. 2 days course here. I teach the whole trading system that I'm using now. Okay, you can see the photos. The students who attend my class, who fly to Singapore and learn, really touches me. And there are a lot of people who who are not able to come into my to Singapore, and they choose to study online. Okay, now the students group is still going up, still getting bigger and bigger, and what I'm thinking is I will continue to do this job, do this service, educational service, to help other people to become professional traders. Okay, all right. Yeah, this is some feedback from the students group. Just after the course is finished, right? Okay, so it's something I want to share with you guys today. Okay. Okay, so right now the course is the recordings is available. If you sign up the course, and you can get all these total is 11 videos, alright, but 10 topics. You can check the length is almost 1 hour, 1 hour half, 1.5, average is 1.5 hours per video. This 2 days course is all here. Okay, so you can sign up the course, and I can give you the add you into the watching list for all the videos, and you can join my join my students group, okay, so that if you have any questions, you can be guided, okay. And let me just tell you guys, yesterday I'm very surprised from this student, because this student told me that yeah, he's 66 years old, okay, and not so tech savvy, because he don't know how to use WhatsApp and how to use YouTube, right? But finally he actually go through it, right? And yeah, I'm so glad that he can join my students group. And today he already sent me a message. After seeing my first video, he's very pleased with the course fee that he paid, because he feel that the value of these videos, this course was so good, right? Okay, so you can still if you really want to learn from me, you can consider to take this pro trader transformation course, right? Let me just play some parts, right? You can see that, yeah, it is high resolution, and I use a lot of live examples to show you guys, show to the students how to use how to apply my knowledge into the real trading. Okay, I'm not only teaching you theories, okay, but how to apply them. Okay, how to apply them, that is most important part. Okay, so all these videos are, I think it's good enough for you to learn one by one. You just follow it. It is so clear, it's so clear that which part you should focus on, and which part you should pay attention to. Okay, so you can just tell me that you want to join my students class, and I will be happy to send you the videos. Okay, I'm not so worried about the copyright issues, because YouTube account is very personal account. So and also in the States, all those IP laws or the copyrights is protected, so I'm not so worried about that. Okay, so just welcome if you want to join my professional trading classes, okay, and learn from me. Okay, so far so good. I have never encountered a single student saying that, yeah, I don't know nothing from your course. Okay, last year I taught maybe almost 1,000 people. Okay, 1,000 people. Okay, and some students, but they are most located in China, so they can only tell me this kind of Chinese testimonial. Alright, this is Bernard. Okay, he's my 73 years old student. I'm so proud of him because he really learns very fast. Okay, right, you can see all the testimonials. Alright, so far so good. People get understand, people get trained, right? And this is account originally is $2,000. All right, and then by just making the Aussie dollar trades, the dollar yen trades, right, within 7 days, it's only the Aussie dollar yen, and euro yen. These three trades have a very good profit of 10,994. So and then the profit was taken out. Okay, there is losing trades. You see, this dollar yen trades was stopped out. All right, or stopped at 106.60, right? But I entered another time at 106.70. Oh, sorry, 107.60. Okay, yeah. There are losses and there are winners, but you can see the winning ratio. The risk reward ratio, right? If I lose, I only lose $200, $280. But if I win 1006, right? That's very cool, very good risk reward ratio, and that's why this account was grown from 2,000 to 10,994, right, within 7 days. Okay, and it's just the same strategy I use to teach you guys. Okay, the dollar yen trade already shows, right? The euro yen trade is another very good example. Let me just check. Yeah, I think just after 10 minutes I published that idea, the euro yen went a very nice fall, right? This is the euro yen trade. Yeah, this very simple butterfly pattern. Okay, 118.385, right? The location is high, and this is my first target, second target, third target. Let's see, right? First target just after published, boom, hits. Second target hits. I think it's going to hit the third target, right? Shot from 118.38, right? Now it's 113.114, so it's around 400 pips, right? Simple strategy, but it is good, right? And I can teach you guys all of these patterns, methods, money management, risk control, price actions, Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci retracement, 2618 trade, Libra patterns, ABCD pattern, Gardy pattern, BAT pattern, right? All these stuffs, okay, is all in my videos. Okay, so and I said this is something that I want to carry on. I want to be a very good education provider in this world, to help people to to be more serious in trading. Okay, trading is like a business. You shouldn't take trading as a gambling, okay, or maybe a luck. Okay, you need to get to train yourself to be professionals to trade the markets. All right, okay, yeah, okay. It's really a very long videos, but I think if you follow me until now, you know that what I'm talking, right? So trading signal versus trading logic, I hope you can choose trading logic, okay, because that is something you can benefit for your whole life. Okay, so to learn how to fish rather than receive fish from others. Okay, all right, cool. So let's move on to the markets. Let's check what other potential opportunities we may have, okay, or maybe what should we think about the markets. Okay, the oil is, went down very nicely. Previously we have this ABCD pattern, right? ABCD pattern, and the 1618 extension. We shot oil at this level, right, around 50 10 51 10 and to 50 50. Okay, we shot here, now it's 41.50, it's almost 1,000 pips, right? And we have another opportunities to sell at here for a Libra pattern, right? If you notice that there's a Libra pattern here, okay, right? It's just a, okay, you shot here, shot the pullback, which I posted last time, around 46, right? It's all here in my trading view. Okay, I say shot here, right? Watch this zone, and I said I shot at 46.77 to 6.8%, right? So the price did go to the 46.77, all right, and then it just goes down nicely, right? Goes down very nicely. Okay, right. So for oil, don't buy the oil because it is still a downtrend, right? Is there a very good strong support? I don't think so. All right. So for oil, I will if I want to long oil, I will wait for the price to be 35.81. I will wait the oil to hit this level, and then I will watch the price action that I may consider to long it. Okay, let's check for the gold. Gold have a rally last Friday because the GDP of the America is bad. Alright, however, I won't recommend you to buy gold right now because it is a second rally, right? But so far it didn't break up the previous high, so you cannot say that gold is uptrend, right? It looks uptrend, but things get some tricky here because you see a double top, right? Double top break the neckline, and now the price goes up there, and there's 2618 trade, right? So you just look closely of this 1350.47, whether this level is going to hold gold, don't go up, right? If it is successfully rejected at this level, I'm going to short the gold again at this level, and I'm anticipating the price to be to force here 1310, or maybe 1260, or even lower, maybe 1210, 1220. Okay, for a very big bad pattern here. This is a very big bad pattern. Okay, alright, so gold, I'm going to watch these levels to get the to take all my long positions out to close with profit and short the gold again. Okay, for the euro dollar, for the euro, it shoots up, but still this is a range market. Okay, the price didn't go high. It's neither going to make a lower low, so it is ranging. Okay, so obviously you can short the price around 1.12 and aim for a drop to 1.0950 again. Okay, for the sterling, don't buy it. Okay, don't buy it. What I feel is after sterling breaks this support or breaks this structure, the sterling may further continue to decline to 1.29 again. Okay, 1.29 again, this level. Okay, so if you really want to buy sterling, you wait for this level to be tested, and if you see the price cannot break down the lower low, so you can buy. Okay, and aim for reversal. Or maybe first target is this 1.3070, second target will be 1.33, something like that. Okay, for the dollar yen, I have already take profit of my first two position, and I left another position which I short here. Okay, and I will just keep it, and I'm going to TP the trade around 101.20. Okay, and also there is you can use this Fibonacci extension tools, right? So that it's very clear. 101.82 is 1.618% retracement. So watch this zone. Okay, you may have a very good opportunity to buy the dollar yen. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie have a rally last Friday as well, but now if you know what is a Libra pattern, you will know that right, it looks so similar. Okay, and it may goes down. Okay, so Aussie dollar, I'm still shorting. Okay, as long as the Aussie don't break a higher high like 0.7675. Okay, so it's okay to sell Aussie. Okay, don't be scared of this bullish candle because you have stop loss to protect your account. As I said, four trading results only, right? Big win, small win, break even, and small loss, right? So if this trade was stop out, no worries, stop small loss, move on to the next one, right? Okay, Okay, and let's talk about the S&P. Okay, S&P is like a little bit crazy because it's keep moving higher and higher. Okay, and now I shot S&P many times. I shot here, right? All making profits, and you can see that the support is really quite strong, right? So it is wise to take profit on this short position at this zone, right? And last Friday the S&P went up, right? But so far it didn't actually make a higher high. So this one, all right, I think that really need to be careful, because if the S&P makes a higher high, which actually becomes a bullish trend. Okay. All right. Okay. Anything else we didn't cover? Okay. Talk about the natural gas. Okay. So for the gas, it's like, okay, there's a potential bad pattern, right, to the 2.95, something like that. Okay, you can consider to short the natural gas at this zone. All right. Okay, I think that's all for today. It's quite long time already, and it is 2:35 a.m. in the morning. I need to go to sleep. All right, and I really hope that you can read the articles carefully, and you know what is the real trading world. All right, trading is never a copy or a machine, because ultimately you are trading with other people, right? So you need to know that, right? What is the professional trading doing? Okay, are they selling or are they buying? Okay, right? Okay, so good time, good trades. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, stay calm, don't be panic. Okay, focus on how to find good trades. Okay, focus on this, and how to learn the trading logic. Okay, and all right, I will just end this video here, and I'm going to upload to the YouTube. All right, so that everyone can benefit. All right, okay, see you guys. I talk to you soon.